Are you excited to explore IPTV on Kodi? Skip the fuss and start enjoying more today. Here's how you can set up IPTV on Kodi with this effortless, step-by-step process to get going. First, ensure you have Kodi installed on your device, as it's the essential starting point. Go ahead and navigate to the Add-ons section on Kodi's main menu to begin the setup. To add your IPTV service, select My Add-ons, then proceed to PVR Clients for configuration. Scroll down and select PVR IPTV Simple Client, which is crucial for IPTV functionality. Hit Configure, where you'll input all necessary information provided by your IPTV provider. Choose your M3U playlist location and paste the provided URL from your IPTV subscription service. Don't forget to save the settings before you exit, crucial to ensuring all your changes stick. Return back to Kodi's main menu and access TV to see the lineup of channels populate. It's loading. Watch in excitement as your channel list is set up, revealing streams instantly. Feel the thrill as you explore channels and discover new content, thanks to IPTV on Kodi. For a premium experience, we recommend 2TV.store, your pathway to unparalleled streaming bliss. Benefit from our special promotion that promises exceptional value and viewing pleasure today. You've now mastered IPTV on Kodi. Relish in the expansive entertainment options at your fingertips. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more, where tech tips become easy streaming solutions.